Homemade borax ant bait can be effective for controlling ants in potted indoor plants when used carefully and correctly. Borax works by disrupting ant digestion and colony functions when worker ants carry bait back to the nest. So mix 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar or syrup to attract them and place tiny amounts where ants forage, but not on soil that touches stems. Use cotton balls or bottle caps as microbait stations placed on the pot rim or top of the saucer to keep the powder from dispersing into soil and to prevent direct contact with roots. Apply bait only in small quantities and check every 2 to 3 days, refreshing the bait if it becomes wet or depleted because moist bait loses attractiveness and potency quickly. Avoid applying borax directly on leaves or stem junctions to reduce the risk of phytotoxicity, and never pour powder into soil, since excessive borax can build up and harm root systems over time. If you see declining plant vigor, flush the potting mix with room temperature water to leach out any soluble borax and stop baiting immediately. Then allow the soil to dry to its normal moisture cycle before resuming any treatment. For persistent infestations, combine baiting with sanitation by removing fallen debris, repotting into fresh sterile potting mix if the infestation is severe, and locating and sealing trail entry points around windows or drainage holes. Common mistakes include using too concentrated a borax solution, which can burn roots and stunt growth, so always dilute and use localized bait stations rather than spreading powder in the pot. Another issue is placing bait where pets or children can access it, which is dangerous, so put baits inside plant saucers under pots or in hard-to-reach microstations and monitor frequently. A third problem is assuming quick results. Ant colonies take time to collapse, so be patient, maintain consistent bait availability for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and supplement with cultural controls like removing aphids that produce honeydew, which attracts ants. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a community where we discuss practical home pest control strategies and plant care tips. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling conversation between professionals and homeowners so we can all share experience and solutions.